Factor 50 Studios. Today we're taking the cable car from here in Funchal up the hill to Monte. Located right on the seafront, we parked in the multi-storey car park next door. You can buy your ticket from the counter or a ticket machine. Be sure to miss the queues by arriving early. The first cable car departs at 9 AM every morning. And we're off! When you get to the top, you'll have been on the cable car for 15 minutes. You'll have been travelling at 4 metres per second and it'll cost €11 for a one-way ticket. At the top there's plenty to see and do, including the tropical gardens. We grabbed a bite to eat at Land Food and Coffee. The views are amazing, the food was fresh and tasty. We really enjoyed our delicious drinks and the service was very friendly and fantastic. Everything on the menu was really good value for money and we would definitely recommend visiting this restaurant. You've probably noticed that we only bought a one-way ticket. Check out our toboggan video to find out how we made our way back to Funchal. We hope that you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel.